Gotta love hash browns for breakfast, yum.
I love them, but the potatoes blow your carb bank for the whole day.
Well, we've got a low carb solution today, a recipe you are gonna love. We're gonna make it in a waffle maker.
Hi, Danna and Robyn here with Lean, Healthy, Ageless and the co-authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive Diet book.
This edition of Lean, Healthy, Ageless is sponsored by our favorite fiber product, BELLWAY Fiber.
And we're going to share with you one of our new favorite products from BELLWAY at the end of the video.
Well, you probably guessed we're not going to use potatoes. We're going to use rice cauliflower. Tell them what we started with.
So we are doing a quick, easy version of this. So we used the frozen cauliflower. It was in the bag. We just emptied it out, microwaved it for about 3 to 4 minutes, and then we drained it really well to get all the water out.
Even though cauliflower is white, it, like broccoli and many other cruciferous vegetables, is packed with nutrition. Some studies say that it protects our DNA and can reduce the risk of some cancers. So just know that as you're enjoying this tasty treat. All right, simple recipe. We've got 2 eggs. We've got about a cup of shredded cheese. We've used a Kerrygold cheddar
And Manchego. You can use a variety, whatever cheeses you want.
We've chopped up some onion, about
2 tablespoons.
Okay, we're going to mix it all together with a little garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and throw it in the waffle maker. So we've mixed it all up. We've got our waffle maker heated, but you can also
do this on the griddle and just fry it like typical little hash brown pancakes.
We like to use a little bit of spray avocado oil to make sure we don't have sticking, because that's the last thing we want. Just really gently spray. And then we're going to pour it in.
I love finger food. I never really thought of hash browns as finger food, but look.
Oh, those are amazing. That will satisfy you. That will take the place of potato hash browns any day of the week.
Absolutely, it's delicious. We promised to tell you about our new favorite fiber product from BELLWAY. And we all know how important fiber is. And the suggested amount to take in your daily diet is between 25 and 35 grams.
Well, what we just provided to you in that recipe with the cauliflower hash browns, a serving size would be 3 grams of fiber. And that means you'd have to eat 10 times that to get all the fiber you need every day. So supplementation makes sense for most people. So we've been telling you about the organic fiber product and the organic fiber with collagen, the little beauty boost, which I love and we take often. But my new favorite, Robyn, is the super fiber plant protein. This is the chocolate version. I don't indulge in things like chocolate milk and chocolate milkshakes, but guess what? I find myself craving doing this, and you're getting the 5 grams of organic psyllium fiber per serving with this as well. So for those of you trying to have a more plant-based diet, this will fit perfectly.
So click the link provided if you want some more information about BELLWAY Fiber or to order. And remember to use the promo code to get a discount on your first order.
If you enjoyed this alternative, healthier version of hash browns, give us a like. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our email newsletter or our YouTube channel, click the links provided or respond to the pop-up box.